Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Uncoder Commune. I am Subham. Today I'm going to solve another hacker and problem solving problem. So let's get started with a very big sum. So the question is saying complete a very big sum function in the editor below. It must return the sum of all array element. But the question is not about the summing all the elements. Here you can see the maximum size of the digit number is 10 to the power 10. So let's see how it will get solved. Take a variable temp equal to, here we cannot take only 0 because 0 is a small digit. So here you can see the maximum digit is 10 to the power 10. So what we will do, we will take 10 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I think it's now let's simply write for I in here temp plus equal to y and just return the temp. That's it. So just run the code. Yeah, you can see it's compiled successfully. Now let's submit it. I hope you understand the problem and solution both. If any query you can ask in comment section. So now you can see it's passed all the test cases. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will solve another hackering problem solving in Python. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.